Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones Beats Studio Pro. And let's get started with audio controls. So you can play at the right ear cup we have B button, and to the left ear cup right here we have System button. Now, if you press one time at the B button, when you listen to music or watching a movie, you will play or pause the song. And as you can see, I just pause it, press again, and I play a song. If you press two times, you will play next track. 1, 2. If you press three times, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Then, above this B button, you have volume up button. So you need to press on it, and as you can see at this widget, did we have it? Yeah. And if you press one time, you will increase the volume, as I said. Here we go. If you press below the B button, you will lower the volume. So press, and as you can see at this widget, I lower the volume. Next, if you press and hold at the B button, you will call a Siri. So press and hold. Why we didn't call it? Here we go. Yeah, so it works also. Now, if you press this button during the call, so if you press one time, you will answer the call. When you press again, you will finish the call. If you want to reject a call, you need to press two times at the B button. And if you, during the call, press one time at the B button, you will mute or unmute the microphone. Now, we have also System button, and if you press two times, you will swap between ambient sound control. So right here we have normal mode, transparency, and ANC. I press two times, 1, 2. I just swap to ANC, 1, 2. I swap to transparency, and with the control, as you can see, we can swap only between ANC and transparency. If you want to swap also to the normal mode, you need to click on it. And now 1, 2, and I swap to the normal mode. You can also disable, let's say, transparency, and you will swap between normal mode and ANC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!